Hi everyone, it's the reviewer back again with another cycling vlog, and today I'm gonna use my road bike. It's gonna be amazing. Keep watching. So this is my village area, and after this village area we'll get to the action area. You know what I mean? We'll get to the national highway again, and we are gonna chase people, or at least try to chase the motorbikes or cars. Until then, this is just my village where I live, and oh my god, how long it's gonna take you to cross your village? Get out of your village. Okay, we are out. Okay, the national highway, alright. We'll get on it and we'll chase. These two people who are about to, take over me on my right, they're really looking at me like, why is this guy going so fast? Is this a super bike or is he Superman? This is the most action-packed area. I was just checking if I'm still recording, because last time I did record, it wasn't recording, and I'm chasing like a fucking crazy guy, chasing everyone really fast, like I'm about to die on the road, chasing bikes and cars, and the fucking camera isn't recording. I didn't want that to happen again, so I was just checking, making sure that we are recording. Now I'm about to cross a bridge here. This is a very famous bridge because in the past a lot of accidents used to happen here because it was a single road and people really ride fast on the bridge, and because of that a lot of accidents happen, a lot of people die. But don't worry, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna die tonight here. Yeah, but I'm gonna really ride fast, like right in the middle of the bridge. हाँ, तो ये जो राइट में अभी मुझे ओवरटेक करके गया ना, ये और उसके सामने और भी एक दो बाइक जा रहे हैं. Do you want me to take them over? Do you really want me to ride fast and take them over? Is that a yes? Alright, let's do it. Keep pushing. Come on, do it now. Okay, 2 down. 1 more to go. One fat uncle is riding. He's sitting like a woman. Okay, he's down too. I'm checking if anyone is coming on my right. Okay, speed bump. Now here I'll decided to take the left road and go for another bridge, which we'll see soon. So keep watching. I'm just gonna get some snacks to eat on the bridge. And this is a newly constructed bridge. I cannot remember its name. That's it, but it's really, really long. I think it's more than 1 kilometer long, or around 1 kilometer, let's say. People really come in the evening to spend some time here because you can see, the river going down the bridge and the air passing over there. It's really cold, and it's a summer. It's the time of summer in our country right now, so people like spending time here in the evening. So I just wanted to see what's going on this bridge, and you can see my snack on the right handle of the cycle. And here I'll take a small break to take some pictures and enjoy the view. So there were two kids going. I don't know if they're kids or adults, but they're going. I mean, passing by me. So I asked them, "Can you take some pictures of me? I have this new sexy bike. Take some pictures with my new sexy bike. Can you do it? Are you capable of doing that?" He was like, "Oh, are you from here? Are you really from here? Oh, over there? Really? Oh, there. Okay." So he was trying to guess where I'm from because I wasn't really looking like a local person. So I asked him, "Take some pictures of me, but I cannot give you any snacks." He said, "Oh, okay, it's fine. I'll take pictures of you." Okay, now I'm going home. Home is like 10 kilometers from here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It's really good because I really enjoyed the ride. Okay, next time let's make more exciting videos. See ya. Keep enjoying the video and watching it. Bye. 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 Bye.